Hi, welcome to Coachapi. Today we're going to see the demo for Incident app using Android Studio. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, I will explain the delivery folders. These are the delivery folders. First, you can click the Android SRC, Android build folder for Android SRC. Inside the www folders, all source codes are there. You can click the documentation, you can view the document. Next you can view the web files. Next you can view the SQL files. Next these are the APK, local APK. This is for the readme files. You can view all the details, database name, credential details. You can view all the details. Let's see how to start the Android project. First open the XAMPP control panel and open it. Apache is a package server, MySQL is a database storage. Start Apache and start MySQL. Start MySQL admin button. It promote open web browser. Now database is open in left side. Further it see this project. Next open the Android Studio and open it. It left side import the project folders. Inside the www folders, all source codes are there. Below minimize button, you can see the AVD manager icon. Click and open it. Click here launch buttons. Now emulator is loaded. This is how to start the Android project. Let's move the app explanations. Open Incident app. There are three models: admin, officer, user. First we can go to the admin login. Click admin login. Enter admin email ID and password. admin@gmail.com. Password is test. Click login. Login successfully. Click the profile. You can view the profile details. If you want to update options are there. Now come back to the home page. Click officer type. If you want this is for the officer list. If you want to create a new officer list, enter the officer list for child or police. Anything you can enter it. You can view the officer list. What are the grades you can view it. Now come back to the home page. Click create officer. If you want to create a new officer, enter the officer register details like name, enter the email ID, password, enter all the details. Choose a officer type. What officer you can choose it. Click register. Register successfully. What are the creates officer? You can view the view officer details. Click view officer. You can view the details. What are the creates? You can view it. If you want to update or if you want to delete, options are there. Now come back to the home page. Next go to the all report. You can view the report details. You can view all the details. Next go to the user register. Click user register. If you want to create a new user register, enter the user register like name, email, enter all the details. Now come back to the home page. Let's move the user login. Click user login. Enter user email ID and password. User@gmail.com. Password is test. Click login. Login successfully. User will manage the models like post incident, post feedback. First you can click the my profile. You can view the profile details. If you want to update to there. Now come back to the home page. Click post incident. If you want to create a new incident, enter the incident details like name, enter the landmark, door number, enter all the details. choose a incident type. You can choose the incident type and incident descriptions. You can choose the incident level, low, medium, high, anything you can choose it. You can click the view incident status. You can view all the details. Status are now pending. Capture the longitude. You can view all the details. If you want to update the map, you can click update map. You can red bubbles, drag and drop the bubbles. Automatically capture the longitude and longitude. You can click the update geo. Updated successfully. Now capture the latitude and longitude. You can view the details. Next, you can upload the photos. You can click upload photos. You can click choose files. You can click the images. Click submit it. Image submitted successfully. If you want to view the status, you can view it. If you want to view the feedback, you can enter the feedback. If you enter the feedback. Now come back to the home page. Click feedback. If you want to create a new feedback, enter the feedback details like a name. Enter the feedback. Enter the feedback. Feedback submitted successfully. Now log out the user models. Let's move the officer login. Click officer login. Enter officer email ID and password. Choose the type. Click login. Login successfully. If you want to order that, you can view it. Click if you want to click the incident registers, you can view the view incident details. You can view all the details. What are the creates user side? You can view the managing the status in officer side. Status are now pendings. If you want to update the status, you can click update. You can update the status. The status are pending or on progress, rejected, completing. You can anything you can choose it. Click enter the reason details. Enter the details, remedies. Click a post. Submitted successfully. What are the creates incident? You can view the details. If you want to complete the proof photos, you can upload the photos and you can upload it. You can upload the photos, you can upload it. Once upload, you can view the details. If you want to show the map, you can show map. The show map is another web browser. Next, you can click the report. You can view the report details, pendings, on progress, rejected, completed, anything you can choose it, view it. Now come back to the home page. Click customer registers. Who are all registered the customer? You can view the customer register. Now come back to the home page. Click feedback. What are the feedback users have created? You can view the officer side. You can view all the details. Now log out the officer models. Let's move the User login, enter user at gmail at passcom, password is test. Click login, login successfully. Click incident status. You can view the status, that is completed. If you want to view the status, you can click view status. What are the details are there? You can create it in office side, you can view the user side. You can view all the details. Now log out the user models. Let's move the admin login. Click admin login. Enter admin email ID and password. Password is test. Click login. Login successfully. You can click all report. You can view all the details. Who are all registered the incident. You can view all the details. You can easily search wise. You can easily category wise, easily status wise. You can view it easily. What are the credits completed? Fire has happened. Bangalore Kavin. You can view all the details. Now log out the admin models. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.